Welcome to Mystic Dragonfly Garden. So there is always a lot of mayhem to clean up at the end of the season, moving into spring. And although we got all of the foliage cleaned up, everything from the perennials cut back, the butterfly bushes cut back, and roses trimmed up, there were a few things that I discovered in that. And one is, it is time to divide these lilies that are in the bed known as Dragonfly Lane and thin those out. We're going to give some to some friends and then put some back so that we have a fresh patch of lilies in this area. So let's get started. Here we have our two lily mounds. This one I believe is Strawberry Candy, and this one is some purple variety that was gifted to me, and obviously they are very thick and need to be thinned out. Should have thinned them out last year, but I did not, and they didn't bloom as profusely as they had in the past, so that's obviously a clear sign they need to be dug up and separated. So that is what we're going to do this year. Well, those just popped up out of the ground. I know last year I did move both of these clumps. I switched them around because this one is actually shorter than this one, so they just lifted right up out of the ground. There is no kind way to separate these, so I am just going to take the shovel and divide them into quarters. So I've got 1/4 to give away to a friend, another 1/4 to give away to a friend, 2 friends getting some lilies, and I am just going to pull this apart. Well, look at this. Look at these roots. Look at how thick and condensed that is. I think I might just take a shovel and break this up into a bunch of little pieces. That's a good thing about lilies. You can just, they can take a beating. I can take some dividing like this, and they will be just as happy as they can be. Alrighty, break this up some more. There we go. Now there's some breathing room to these roots. Break this one up. These should bloom nicely this year, having some breathing room. Alright, so we have got, let's bring these a little bit closer. You see how I have really loosened up these roots and these tubers. I believe these are called tubers these are day lilies. So I've loosened them up. I'm going to backfill this hole with Phytone, permateal of course, because I have sprinkle that around like candy to attempt to win the battle against the voles. So let me do that. Loosen up the soil. I know there's quite a bit of permateal in here, but in this yard, I don't think you could ever have enough permateal. I really think I'm gonna have to think about getting some outside cats and some black snakes. Permateal. I should buy stock in permateal and some biotone. And that clay's a little red, so I'm gonna add some Daddy Pete's. Stir it up. All right, and I'm just going to pop these roots back in there. Probably could divide these up even more. Spread them around some, but I don't know where I want this color, so oops, it's upside down. So we'll just replant them right here, and maybe we'll figure out where we could use some more. And we'll have plenty to divide up next year. Alrighty, that one is good to go. Oh, here's a tag. Oh, how fun is that? Oh, that one, I think I said them backwards. This one is strawberry candy, and that one's the purple one. Isn't it fun when you bury your tags? Yay. All right. I'll just stick that back there for now. And we'll go put these up for some friends. All right, same thing for this one. Alright, so we got the daylilies separated and back in the ground. We had this section and we had another section over here of both the strawberry candy and that purple variety. Here we have our divisions ready to be gifted to someone. We actually ended up with 4 clumps of the strawberry candy. I may use 2 of them somewhere else, not sure yet, but 2 of them are definitely going to friends. Here are the red hot pokers that we had divided up in another video, and here are 2 of the purple clumps of daylilies that will go to friends. Well, that feels great. It feels so good to have this area done. Thank you for watching, and for the love of dirt, get outside, enjoy what nature has to offer. Till next time.